Hi dear customers, how are you? This is Casey speaking from QLQ Zipper Machine Company in China, Guangzhou. Today, I'd like to introduce our 40 pieces zipper tape weaving machine for you. This zipper tape weaving machine is for nylon zipper tape. For this 40 pieces zipper tape weaving machine, we do some changing for increasing the quality to be more longer using and less consumption parts. Now let me introduce this machine for you one by one about the subjects, the points which we increasing the quality. Okay. So the first point that I want to say to you is for this body, we larger the widers 3 cm more in order to the machine can be more heavy. When it's running, it can be more standard. Okay. And the second thing I want to introduce for you is about this part. Look at this needle. Before the construction is the needle is fixing here directly. Now we do some changing already. Okay. Now let's see here. Okay. So you can see from here there has this is the original one. This is the original one. The old model. For old model, if you want to take it out, a little out, you cannot do. Okay. But for this one, you can loosen this screw and move the needle out or in. What for? By this new construction, you can make the zipper tape from 18 to be 20 mm, even 21 very easily. So this is the second point which we do some changing already. And the third thing is about these parts. Before we used plastic for these parts. Now we use the aluminum for these parts. Why? What's the good result with this material? This machine will be more standard with these parts. Okay. And the third thing is about these parts, which we enlarge the widers from 1.5 cm to be 2.5 cm now. And because we widen this wide, so that is why we can do some covering inside. So can you see inside? Okay. So by this changing, by this instruction, so these parts can be up and down very smooth, match this covey. Okay. So by this changing, after long time, for example, half year, 1 year using, this machine will not changing like this up or this down or this up and this side down. By this changing, this construction changing, the machine can be used standard and long time. And if the machine without this changing, maybe after some years using, and then one side will be more down, one side will be more up, and the yarn will be broken more easily by this unbalanced level. So this is a very important changing also. And this is the fourth point which we changed already. And then now let me show you the fibers changing. So fibers changing is for this size. Before it's 12 mm. Now we changing to be 17 mm. Why? Because inside the shaft seat position is also 17 mm. By this changing, the shaft can be seated inside fully and very standard for this machine. So, and this is the fibers changing. The sixth changing is for these parts. You can see these parts by this outside looking. So let me show you. So you can see before, for this part, is just one side has this plate, and by fixing by the screw. Now we do two pieces clip plate in order to the shaft can be fixing inside standardly. By this new construction changing, and machine can be used more long time. The consumption parts also will be less so much than before. So that is all the changing things for our this 14 pieces nylon zipper tape weaving machine. If you want to get more detailed information or you are interested for this machine, you are welcome to contact us. Thank you so much for your interest. Thank you.